Look at the impala run. Even the warthog's running from them.
Yeah, you don't want to get into their jaws. I'm trying to look, in this pack, trying to identify it and see which one it is, or if it's a different one. I don't see the alpha dog.
Right.
This is our sort of main mark because it's really dark. We don't. Yeah, there's 10. I bet this is a different pack.
Is it?
This is a different pack. You might get to see 2 packs in your stay.
Wow.
This one is, I think this is the one that comes from Sand Rivers. It walks through Sand Rivers.
Does it?
There.
Oh.
The pack that used to come every season just runs across this area by the lake and down there. And that other pack, Blackie's pack, they come through the Beho Beho airstrip and they go further to some plains, have a few open plains, and they go back up in the mountains. I think this is that pack from this side.
This way then, look this way. Thank you.
Lying in the mud.
Cool, look at the teeth. They'd give you a nasty bite, wouldn't they?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I guess you should keep saying what you want to see.
Well, this is so lucky.
Yeah. You know, these markings are all distinct. Yeah. I think that's it for the day. Yeah.
Huh?
They might just sit there the whole afternoon,
Right.
and then in the evening by say 5:30, 6, when it starts cooling down, the sun is going down.
Yeah.
They'll get up, do this greeting ceremony, and sort of motivate each other to go out on a hunt.
All right.
And it's the best time is that as the sun sets, that late evening hour, they go for a hunt, get at least an impala or 2, and then wait for the morning again.
Golly.
They look quite very well fed, these ones.
They do. They're still very alert. Not to us.
Yeah, they don't really care about us. Normally you'd have this alpha male in case of something, give like a bark,
Oh.
you know,
Yeah.
to just alert everybody else and either warn whatever is coming towards them. But these guys are just quiet. It's really hard to tell which one is really in charge.
Mm.
Establish that, but everybody knows his place
Yeah.
in the pack and the discipline.
The bigger males don't bother, they just walk off.
Yeah. can't take that one dog. They're just too fast for them. But that's sort of typically how they would start
Yeah.
a hunt.